Hit the road, don't even check out, cause they told me ice my neck out. Been humble for too long and I stay strong so I can flex now. Walking with my chest out, I walk past, they put their head down. Don't know why I'm at my pockets fat, cause I'm a cash cow. Always been a stand-up girl, no funny, now I stand out. You wanna rock, I roll with it, well I'ma bring the band out. Just put a bottle on the model and she pulled her pants down. My bitch was here, she have a fit, so I'm about to head out.
Oh hey, what's up you guys? If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that bell and you give it a like and you subscribe. Come back so you don't want to miss none of my good videos I got, because I be having it going on, y'all. Anyway, in today's video I do have a cooking tutorial for y'all, and we're going to be doing birria tacos. I don't know how to say it right. If that's not right, y'all, just correct me in the comments. Quesabarria tacos. And we're gonna get it right. I mean, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this ingredient list. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so let's get into this ingredient list. First, we got some cilantro, fresh little cilantro. We got some olive oil. We got some sea salt. We got some black peppercorn. We have ground cumin. We have chipotles and adobo sauce. We have thyme. We got, I don't know how to say that, guajillo. I don't know. Guajillo, chilies, I don't know. Y'all know. Bay leaves. We have tomatoes. We got cumin, cinnamon, oregano, onion, and we have the meat. I'm just going to get stewed meat. So this is everything we do have, and we do have the shell, which we just got. These shells. Okay. So let's get it started. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna start off by chopping up some cilantro. So just chop it up in some little pieces because you don't want such big pieces in here. Medium a little bit, I guess. Because I'm gonna use this for the sauce and the sauce. I don't know why I said the sauce and like something else to make. So we're just gonna chop that up. Cilantro got such a strong smell and taste, y'all, so don't over cilantro y'all stuff. Okay, that should be good. I'm gonna cut up this one just because it's just sitting right here looking lonely. Now we are going to cut up an onion. We need one onion. We're gonna cut it in half and we're just gonna soak it in like that. We're gonna peel it first. We cut that into half. We will put those two halves in there whole like that. Like that, like that. Like that, like that. We don't have to do nothing to our bay leaves. They're already dry. We're just gonna take like a couple of them and just throw them in the pot. So we'll put those on there just to have them prepared. Ooh. Bay leaves strong. And we have oregano. But we won't have to do nothing to that either. We're gonna sprinkle it in there. We got our cinnamon. Open this, y'all. Oh, here it is. It don't even smell like a strong, how you would think it would smell like a strong cinnamon stick. It ain't really that strong. I'm gonna put one on there. Cinnamon stick. Okay, so we have our cumin, which we're just going to sprinkle some in there too because it's like a sprinkle pack. We have these peppers, which we are going to cut the top and the bottom off and get all the seeds out, and that's what we're going to use. Just like so. So after you cut it off, it should look like that, top and bottom. And then just open it up in the middle, y'all, and it's going to have seeds. Just pour the seeds out into the trash. This how it's going to look when y'all got all the seeds out and stuff. So we just put that right there, and we probably going to use two, a smaller one and that one. They ain't that spicy, I don't think. A little bit, but not that spicy. We're gonna do the same thing to this one. Cut it, dump the seeds out, because we don't need these. You see how the seeds just pouring out? Here's another one, all cleaned out. That's two of those. So we do have our chipotle peppers, which we're just gonna put one in there, and all the rest of the seasoning. So follow me to the pressure cooker and we'll get this recipe started. Okay, you guys, I'm back, and I did forget the garlic to show y'all and the beef broth. Don't forget that. Okay, so now we about to take our meat over here, and we got this hot, oh, cause it's on sear. And we're gonna, this is our pressure cooker. It's a Ninja pressure cooker, air fryer, all in one. Okay, first we're gonna take a little olive oil, sprinkle it in the bottom of this. Yes. Okay, then we're gonna take our meat and we're gonna put some salt and pepper on there. And we're gonna put it in there so we can sear it on all sides. Y'all know that locking the flavor. Locking the good flavor. Make sure you wash that meat off. So we did salt and pepper these. Now we're just gonna put them in. Make sure it's browned on all sides. We're gonna cook on all the sides, y'all. Then we're gonna take it from the sear and touch. Okay, you guys. So now you know those 2 onions that we put in half. We're gonna place it in there. In 2 chunks. Yeah. And we're gonna let that sit right there for a little bit, y'all. And we'll be back. Okay, so I'm adding all the stuff in the pot. I added the onion, some garlic. This is like a piece of the onion. Some dried peppers. I'm about to add some thyme, and I'm gonna add some water. You know, I just put this lid on so it's not gonna be hot, but we're gonna wait till this boils real good. We're gonna boil it for like 5 minutes, then we're gonna put it down to a simmer for like 10 minutes, and then we'll pour it. We'll make our sauce and pour it and stuff. We'll do all that good stuff. So meet me back here in a second. Okay, y'all, so it is at a boil. So now we can uncover it and let it simmer for 10 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and, you know. Okay, so now, y'all, we're going to go ahead and add our cumin and oregano to the mixture. I am trying to open it and record with one hand, so it's still shaky. Bear with me. Okay, we're just going to add some. I'm not doing no measurements. That should be enough cumin. Then we're going to add some oregano. Dried oregano. This should be more than enough. Okay, so now I'm going to mix this around in here. And we're gonna let that simmer for about 10 more minutes. And when I get back, we can go ahead and blend our stuff up to make our sauce. Okay, you guys, so now it's been simmering for about 10 more minutes now with the cumin and stuff in there. So now what we're about to do is go ahead and do all the big ingredients and put it in my Ninja. We are not going to do the bay leaves, y'all, so make sure that y'all take your bay leaves out. And the cinnamon stick. We're also not going to blend the cinnamon stick, so don't get any bay leaves or cinnamon stick in there. In there, we about to mix up this broth in there with it. Go ahead and pour that broth in there from your mixture, and then go ahead and pour some beef broth in there, like a cup or so of beef broth. Then you apply it to the top. Okay, now that we made our broth and sauce, we're going to just dump it over in here. Okay. And now we got the 145. We're just gonna put our pressure lid on there and let that cook. And we'll be back. Okay, y'all, so now we about to check on it. Well, we're not checking on it. It's done. I know it's done. We about to just shred everything up, the meat up. See, the meat is already shredded by itself, for real. But what's not shredded, we just gonna turn it apart and shred it up, y'all. And we did cook this in our Ninja pressure cooker for 1 hour and 45 minutes, guys. 1 hour and 45 minutes. And we have chunks that will just shred apart, y'all. Yes, y'all see that. So we did use the little pieces because it's just me, my daughter, and my husband. We only eat like 3 tacos a piece, so it's not no point of just getting a big, you know. It's just an easy little quick little way. Alright, so we're gonna shred that apart, y'all. We're gonna make our birria tacos. We're gonna go ahead and put out some oil in there, go ahead and fry some up, you know. Meat just fry there. So we're gonna put our heat on medium, and we're going to spray it with our oil first. I spray everything with oil first, but our sauce is a little oily, so we're gonna throw in some little sauce in there, and we're gonna fry some chitlins. Let's go. Okay, so here's some of our broth from our sauce from what we used earlier. We're gonna throw some cilantro in there because I love cilantro, y'all. Give that good little flair. And we're gonna stir it around. This sauce is very hot, so don't mind my lighter in the background, y'all. I don't know why I left it right there. So this sauce is hot, and I put the cilantro in there, and it's ready to like be dipped. Okay. So you guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna dip our tortilla in our little red sauce. That's what it's called. I think I made it up and stuff. We're gonna dip it all around there. Ooh, sorry. And we do got some mozzarella cheese because I couldn't find that Mexican cheese. Well, I really wasn't looking for it. I just got mozzarella. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and throw that over in the pan. Our pan is hot. We're gonna throw us some meat in here. We'll throw some meat on this side. We're gonna throw some cheese too, you guys. Get us a lot of meat on it. Get us a nice bit of meat. Feel me? Alright. Got us some meat on there. We gotta get some cheese. Okay, y'all. We're gonna throw some cheese on there. Some mozzarella cheese, Kraft mozzarella cheese. We're just gonna throw it in there like that. Yes, get the cheese up in there. My cheese, my butter. Alright, and I also like to sprinkle a little cilantro inside as well as on the top. Just a little, because cilantro, you know, is like very flavorful. When it gets a crunch, we're gonna flip it over. Okay, now we're gonna throw this over top, and you should have like a crunch. Yes, I see that. Yes, that's how it should be. And this should also be just like that. Put it on over. Yeah. Yes. Let me get a fish. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. We got our sour cream and we got our red sauce for dipping. We cut up a little fresh onion to put on top of that, and look at that, y'all. Just look. Ooh. Well, hey, looks like you reached the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please make sure you don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss no more good recipes and fun we have going on. See ya.